Wait. Let me walk slowly. Hey
guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to Just Eat Life. Today I have my special guest with me, Daddy. He's back. He came into town for a very short trip. He's been telling me that he wants to film this recipe with me. It's a sort of vegetarian version of larb, which usually has a pork or chicken, but today we're making it with mushrooms and tofu. Okay, Dad, tell them what mushrooms we have.
The oyster mushroom, shiitake mushroom. Hi, that Japanese mushroom.
Is it racist if he's also Asian?
Wood ear mushroom, or you can call it look like a rat
ear.
Rat ear.
We were having a discussion at the supermarket. He's like, get the rat ear. I'm like, what is a rat ear? The ear looked like a rat. And we realized we were talking about the same thing. Traditionally, this is made with ground pork, some chicken blood and intestines. Really yummy. I make a version with some ground turkey. Super delicious, but I'm really excited to see what this is going to taste like. I've never had it. So first we're going to chop up all of the mushrooms. Dad, what does that look like?
Horn.
A horn.
The speaker.
I was going to say a butthole.
Yeah, the turntable speaker. That's right.
Hello? Dad?
Hello.
I like the idea of adding wood ear mushrooms into this because it's got that nice bouncy, chewy, almost rubbery texture, but like the pleasant type of rubber. If you like rubber in your mouth, you're gonna love this. Finish chopping the mushrooms. How does that look, Dad?
That's great. And on combination, wow.
We have some tofu here. Extra firm tofu. Why do we have to use extra firm?
Why? Because you cannot use the salt, the tofu salt, because when you blend it, it doesn't look crunchy like original. We use the ground
like
pork.
It's too soft.
Right, too
It'll
soft.
It'll fall apart.
Right, but this one, that's good.
I'm just gonna help it out by breaking it out first. I squeezed out some of the water.
A little bit. That will do. We put separate because this one hard to cook slowly. That one is fast.
Next step, we're gonna saute it for a bit in a pan, just to extract some of the moisture from the mushrooms, and then we'll add in the tofu. More oil?
That's it. Long Pan, long lao. This is the Chinese song. This is.
What does it mean?
It's a mafia in Hong Kong.
Oh.
Shanghai Tang.
Can you sing a Thai song?
No, I'm not a singer. Is your heart feel it then? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight?
For all the other ingredients that make this a larb, we need 3 things, right, Dad?
Spicy, sour, and salted.
Plus a bunch of herbs. So we've got some cilantro, some scallions, mint. This is from my garden. Some chilies. I got a mixture of cayenne, also from my garden, and some Thai chili, dried ground Thai chilies, fish sauce. Now, if you want to make this completely vegetarian or vegan, you could leave that out or just put soy sauce. But we're gonna use the fish sauce. What did you do?
I don't know.
Did you pick your nose?
No, big and
Some fresh lime juice and toasted rice powder. Now, if you don't have this, you can find this in a Thai grocery, but if you don't have it, you could toast up some rice on the stove. Uncooked rice, right?
And
then and then you'll get that.
The rain falls on my head. Oh.
Just a little bit first. We can add later.
Oh.
All of it. Chili. Oh, Dad, show your shirt.
Half of it.
Put half for the guy who has I put hot sauce on my hot sauce shirt.
Yeah, put all of them. Another pinch.
Oh, it smells so good, just like Larb.
Wow, exactly.
Now, lastly, the rice powder. You leave this until the end because this will suck out all the moisture from everything.
You see how this blend
It
came?
smells so good. Right now, we're gonna get some lettuce leaves and plate it up. We are enjoying this simply in a lettuce wrap. Close it up.
Yep. If you want this, it's up to you.
Okay, done.
Yep. Oh.
It's so good.
Yeah. So good.
Very spicy. I really hope you guys give this spicy. We really hope you guys give this a try. If you do, share a photo, tag us so we can see your beautiful recreations, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Remember to just
It's
life.
life.
Can't be that spicy.
It's not. I just had a really huge chili. Oh my god.
I told you.
What does that mean?
It's so good.
It's so good.
It burns.